So if I'm trying to raise capital for real estate projects online, for my real estate project, for clients who's trying to raise money online, what is how do we think about either setting up a group to create an environment for communication versus leveraging existing groups?
Well, I think there's probably a place for both, but I would also say that from a core strategy and owning the opportunity versus leveraging someone else's opportunity, which is what you do when you're going into someone else's group to kind of harvest a lead, if you will, is that you are building your own entity, your own opportunity, your own community. You're fostering that community, and when you're setting up a Facebook group, you have to understand that it's bigger than what you're doing. It's, in my opinion, it's bigger than the purpose behind the group, because you got to approach the community aspect or the community building aspect from the perspective of what do they care about outside of this, like whatever, if it's expertise or in what you're just sharing is this going to be about, finding investors that might be interested in commercial real estate opportunities, right? Yeah. So what else? I mean, that would include some education. That would include sharing the latest and greatest opportunities. It would be facilitating conversations. It might be humor in some cases, because if you can get people to laugh or cry, you got them. So there's more to building a community inside of a Facebook group than just consistently pushing whatever it is that the group is all about.
Right. In other words, consistently trying to sell something.
Consistently trying to sell. Yes.